Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a little, an ATC card that I've made. It's my entry into a giveaway, and it is for Paper Confessions with Karamia. She is here on YouTube. She is hosting a birthday giveaway. It does end on March 12th, so that's pretty quickly here. I'm not sure if you're going to have enough time to join in, but you could still go over there and send some birthday cheer to her. So she is just looking for an ATC card, like I said, or an altered postcard. No extras. She likes spring, shabby chic, or vintage. So I did a spring one I worked on this weekend, and it's already packaged up, so I can't take it out of the packaging. But here it is, my little Nomi friend with his spring vibes. And I got the gnome and the mushrooms and the fake grass. They're all stamps of life. And then these peeps and the chick and the sentiment is from one of my crafty friends, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. And then this was something I just put together there. I made some memory dex cards, or a memory dex card, and I decided not to use the bow on it, so I added it to this. So this is my ATC, and then I had some scraps and I just made a little card. So that is going to be my entry. I'll put a little sentiment in and send it on its way to California. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. I'm going to leave her link in my description box below so you guys can still go send her some birthday cheer. And for more videos like these, see her. Until my next video, shakas!